In Office 365, there is a malware filter that can keep malware from getting through to your email, but sometimes you might find the need to edit that, either add or delete certain items from it so it works the way you want it. So we're in the Microsoft Office Home, and if you click on Admin, it takes you to the Admin Center that you see here. And then if you scroll down to the Admin Centers, then you click on Exchange, and it takes you to the Exchange Admin Center. On the left-hand side, click on Protection, and then you'll see the option for malware filter at the top. So now we want to take a look at the default filter, and we click the pencil to edit it. So we expand that, and then we click on Settings. So we have some options, such as a detection response. If it's detected in an email attachment, the message will be quarantined and can be released only by an admin. So this is allowing the administrator to say to the user that there has been malware detected, and you can send a notification to them. So if you do, then the user may say, hey, I wanted that email, and you can then send that off to them if you want. But by default, it says no. So you can either change it to yes with the default notification, or yes, and you can create a custom notification that warns the user about it. The next option is going to be the Common Attachment Types filter. So you can turn this on to block attachments that may hurt your computer, and by default it is off. So it's recommended that, of course, that you turn this on, and here are all the default types that it's going to block because these are known to carry a lot of viruses. And if you want, you can click the plus and you can add any additional file type if you'd like. Go ahead and click close on that. We can also send notifications. If a message is undeliverable, we can send to internal or external. I recommend you only send to internal because spammers use the external notification to find out if it's a valid email, so it can send additional spam type messages. Then you have the administrator notifications, so you can notify the administrator if there is an undelivered message. I think you'd end up with a lot of unwanted email if you did that, and it's both for internal and external. And then you have custom notifications. So if you want to have a custom notification sent for the sender and administrator, then you can check this box, and you can say who it's from, who it's to, and what it is you would like to say. You can also do the same down here below, messages from external senders as well. So when you are all done filling that in, you can go ahead and click Save, and now we have our particular filter turned on. I'm just going to go ahead and uncheck that customized notification, otherwise we get that error message. All right, so now we've gone ahead and turned that on. If we want, we can double click, we can go back in, and we can make sure under settings that it is going to block by types, and it is. And we have notifications, except for internal senders, we have notifications turned off. Go ahead and click Save once again, and now we will be blocking malware.